YouTube, Steve here. In this video I'm gonna show how I built this audio DSP. It stands for Digital Signal Processor. This is the 4th version, v1.4. It's a full-size, fully capable board. For power, this uses 5V USB-C. USB-C just provide power. For programming, there is a 6-pin JST connector. On board, you will find 6 RCA sockets. 2 of these are dedicated 2-channel analog audio input, while the remaining 4 handles 4-channel analog audio output. And the best part, you can control each of them individually. I have also integrated 4 potentiometers. These are completely programmable to handle whatever job you need, like master volume, crossover frequency, burst boost, treble control, and a whole lot more. If you are watching from India and want to buy this DSP or check out my other custom products, feel free to contact me over Instagram. You will find the link right down the description. I have designed all the circuits in easy ETA. Getting all this RCA jack, potentiometer, and clean audio signal onto one board wasn't easy. Routing complex audio design leads to routing nightmare and signal integrity issue. Finally, I made it and exported the Gerber files and ordered my PCB with JLC PCB. Today's video is sponsored by JLC PCB. With JLC PCB 6-layer board, you spend less time fighting routing and more time actually building. Upgrading to 6-layer provide dedicated ground and power planes plus extra signal layers. For audio project like this, that means faster development cycle, much cleaner signal, and fewer redesigns. JLC PCB makes 6-layer PCBs truly affordable and professional grade PCBs without the professional grade price. High precision board starts at just $2. Plus they include pro features like free wire-in pad and ENIG surface finish as standard. They also offer 48-hour quick manufacturing for 6-layer prototypes, so you get your boards incredibly fast. See the description and grab a $30 coupon for your first 6-layer PCB project. High precision boards up to 50 by 50 mm now starts at $2. Back to the DSP build. I just received my partially assembled PCB boards from JLC PCB. To save a bit on shipping cost, I opt for only populate SMD components, and rest I will hand solder all the larger components. That's all for today's guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.